Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's tutorial, we'll be walking you through the setup process for the Netgear EAX12 Wi-Fi range extender. If you're experiencing Wi-Fi dead zones or weak signals in certain areas of your home, this device is an ideal solution to extend your Wi-Fi coverage and enhance your internet experience. We'll cover everything from unboxing to the final setup, making it easy for you to follow along. Let's dive in and get your home connected with stronger, more reliable Wi-Fi. First, let's begin by unboxing the Netgear EAX12 Wi-Fi range extender. Carefully open the box to reveal the contents inside. You'll find the EAX12 extender itself. There's a quick start guide that provides an overview of the setup process and key features. Make sure you have all these components before moving on. For optimal performance, place the extender midway between your router and the area needing improved Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure it's within the range of your existing Wi-Fi network for best results. Next, plug the extender into a nearby power outlet. Wait patiently for the power LED to turn solid green. This solid green light indicates that the extender has powered up correctly and is ready for the setup process. Now, take your smartphone or laptop and navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. You should see a list of available networks. Look for the network named Netgear EAX12, which is the default Wi-Fi network for the extender. Connect to this network to begin the setup process. Next, open a web browser on the device connected to the extender's network. In the address bar, type mywifiexd.net and press Enter. This will direct you to the Netgear Installation Assistant, where you can follow step-by-step instructions to complete the setup process. Next, open a web browser on the device connected to the extender's network. In the address bar, type mywifiexd.net and press Enter. This will direct you to the Netgear Installation Assistant, where you can follow step-by-step instructions to complete the setup process. After completing the setup, feel free to relocate the extender to your desired spot. Just ensure it remains within the effective range of your router for optimal performance. Now, connect your devices to the newly extended Wi-Fi network. Search for your original network name followed by _EXT in the list of available networks. This extended network will provide enhanced coverage throughout your home.